I'm Leslie Bradner.
And I'm John Bradner, and we live in Albany, Oregon. I'm retired fire chief from the Albany Fire Department after 30 years of service.
I work for a group called Talk About Trees, and I work part-time, and I go into classrooms, do lessons on trees and forests, do nature hikes. Thayer came into our home, and they completely remodeled our kitchen, and then also added a butler's pantry, and they did a laundry room, and also a small bathroom.
When we got a hold of Thayer from the start, everything felt right. We just felt like we clicked with Jared and Natalie, our designer, and we were happy with the process from day one.
From our initial call with Jared, I instantly felt comfortable with him. I liked everything he had to say. I felt like it was a good relationship from the start.
They also had very good ideas throughout the entire design process, where we would think this is what we want, and then they would give us options, which we really appreciated, seeing options, and then we would realize, oh, wait a minute, this is actually better. They improved on what we thought we wanted, and they made it better.
I appreciate that she narrowed it down, so we're not looking at everything, trying to figure it out ourselves. It was like, okay, we like this paint for the cabinets, we like this countertop, we like this flooring.
One of the standout moments for me was when we got to the point where we completely trusted Jeff, our project manager. We were 2-3 days into it. We took off and went on a vacation. We came home and in short order, we determined that his ideas and his process that he was going through was probably the same that he would have taken if he was remodeling his own house.
And you just feel like you're his number one priority. And he always was great on his follow through with us.
We got to the point where we trusted every single one of the subs that came, got to know them by name. They were extremely professional, very friendly, thoroughly impressed with every sub that they used throughout this entire process.
It was the cleanest job site. Everything was spotless. They kept the dust down. Everything was just immaculate, really, for a job site.
Yeah.
I think a standout moment also for me was the reveal. He had covered up all the countertops and things, and then all of a sudden they uncovered them so we could see. It was like, whoa, look at it. It's looking like a kitchen.
Mm-hmm.
I was like, okay, this is amazing. That was just like, okay, this is really gonna happen. I felt like they took very good care of us. It was kind of like having our own family come in and do construction for us. I love the feel of our kitchen now. It just feels welcoming. Having our kids come home and making a meal where we're all making it together and everybody's in a different space, cooking something different, all working on the same meal, and we have plenty of room. This is what I had hoped for with a remodel kitchen, is being able to enjoy it as a family.
They just did a great job. They delivered what they said they were going to deliver. They communicated very well. We gave them a 5-star review, and that was from the heart. We really trusted them throughout the process, and we'd look forward to using them again.
We had no idea what we were doing, and that's why we wanted a design build team, and they just took us and held our hands through each step and walked us through it and communicated so well about those steps. Instead of just saying, you gotta do this, they would walk us through each step, and I just appreciated that.
I can't wait till we have our next family Christmas Eve meal here or something like that.
Mm-hmm. I very much would recommend Thayer Design Build. They kind of walked us through the process. They communicated well with us. They listened to our concerns. They listened to our needs and our wants. And the designers, Natalie and Jenny, together both just incorporated those into our final product, which is perfect for us.
They delivered on what they said we were going to do. They took what we thought was going to be a painful process and they made it painless, start to finish. It was an outstanding job that they did. So very much recommend them.